A lot of creators today started their YouTube channel with the aim of making money. So if you start your YouTube channel, you're going to get monetized and you're going to start making money. That is if you're serious with your YouTube channel. So when you finally get monetized, do you know that there are some niches that you can be doing that won't get you at least $100? Like you're going to be getting hundreds and thousands of views, but you still won't be able to make $100 in a month. And another thing is, I usually advise people to start up like a channel, start content creating if they want to gain financial freedom. So if you start up a channel, with the aim of gaining financial freedom, and you're not even making up to $100 in 1 month, then there is problem. There is a big problem. So if your main aim of starting YouTube is to make money from your YouTube channel, I would advise you to watch this video till the end, because this video is very important. And please, if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe and make sure you like this video. On today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys some of the niches you have to avoid if you want to make money. You have to avoid them like the plague. So make sure you watch this video. Let's dive in. So let's talk about the first niche that you have to avoid. This niche is the fashion designing niche or tailoring niche. The one that makes you like, you get a material, you start sewing, you start telling people about like how to sew and all that. You need to avoid this niche because one thing about this niche is that you're going to be spending a lot of money. You're going to be spending a lot of money on materials. Even the camera that you will use, you're going to buy a good camera. You make sure that everything is on point, like even the mannequins and everything that you're going to be needing to make your dress or your clothes. So after spending that much money on creating content, imagine spending that kind of money and you still won't be able to make $100 after everything. So, and there are some people that I've seen doing fashion designing on YouTube. They have over hundreds and thousands of views, but yet they're not able to make money. I've seen them. Their RPM is like it's between 0.50 cents to $2. So imagine you've gotten like 100k views, and that 100k views just mean maybe $20. So it doesn't make sense. So I would advise you, if you want to start up a YouTube channel, to avoid this niche, fashion designing niche. I'm not saying it's bad. If you have a passion for sharing your talent with the world, like you want to show people that you love sewing, you love making dresses, just go for it. Start up a YouTube channel. But if you want to be making money, I would advise you to make or to create another YouTube channel. Then you can use your fashion designing channel to just like show the world your passion and all that. But if you want to make money, create a second channel or a third channel. That is what I have to say. Avoid fashion designing niche. Another niche that you have to avoid is the reaction niche. The one that maybe a music will be playing and you sit down and you're reacting to the music, or a movie will be playing and you're sitting down reacting to the movie. Reaction niche it's very difficult to make because you can still create your reaction videos and still get copyright claims or copyright strikes. So you have to be very, very like talented in reacting. You have to add your own stuffs, talk a lot, like show a lot of emotions and all that to make the video yours. So even after all these things, even after doing all these things, adding your own essence to the video, you still won't be able to make money when you get 1k views. When you get 1k views, your money, it won't even be up to $3. So reaction niche is very, very terrible, honestly. It is very, very terrible, and you can get copyright claims and copyright strike if you're doing reaction videos. Honestly, when I started this channel, I wanted to be doing reaction videos, but I don't know what happened. Maybe I was just like, I was very, very bad at it. I had to just stop and switch to this kind of niche because I started watching YouTube growth videos and I happened to like it, so I decided to do it. I decided to go for it. So reaction videos are not advised, like it's not advisable to do. It's even better than fashion designing. At least you can be getting like $2 or $3. But fashion designing, that one is very, very terrible. So these two niches, avoid them. Another niche that you have to avoid is the travel vlog videos. Those kind of contents that you see them, they'll be traveling to different parts of the world, tasting different dishes, different national dishes and all that. You need to avoid that kind of niche because your RPM will be very, very, very low. You won't be able to make money from those kind of videos. Listen, I'm not saying that these niches are bad. They are very, very good. You can do it. But if your main aim on YouTube is to make money, you need to avoid them. You need to go for something else and leave them. Like, leave these niches. So these travel vlogging videos, you need to avoid them because the RPM is not even up to $4. It's just between $1 to $3. So avoid travel vlogging videos. After travel vlog, we have the gaming niche. Anything that has to do with gaming niche, you have to avoid it. Listen, if you want to make money on YouTube, just leave gaming niche. You know, gaming niche is the one that you see a player, somebody will sit down with a pad and the person will be playing the game and you'll be watching it, like you'll be seeing the game and the person will be talking and like showing you how to play the game. That is it. So you have to avoid such niches. Remember what I said before, all these niches are good, but if your main aim is to make money on YouTube, you need to leave it for those that want to like have fun on YouTube. Just look for something else and do. Leave gaming niches, because gaming niches will not give you the money you're looking for on YouTube. Then another one that you have to do, that you have to avoid, is the ASMR and all these relaxation videos. The one that you see them, they will get all these squishy objects, slime, all those things, all those sand and all that. Don't do such niches. Or the one that they will get mic and they'll be speaking like whispering inside the mic. All these things will not give you money. Their RPM is between 50 cents to $2, 50 cents to $2. So if you see them getting 100k views, even 500k views, it might not be up to $100 safe. So just avoid all these niches, the gaming niche, the ASMR, relaxation videos. Don't do it, because you will not be making any money on YouTube. If your main aim is to make money, just forget about it. Another one that you have to avoid, this one will shock you, is the music niche. Music or all these song covers, you need to avoid it. You know, the one that maybe you can come online and set your camera and be like cover a musician's song and all that. Before I started YouTube, I was thinking that like musicians, all these music channels usually earn a lot of money, and all these people that cover songs, they earn a lot of money. But I was wrong. So you have to avoid song covers and music. So if you're planning on starting YouTube and you want to make money, and you're saying that you want to be doing, like, you want to be covering songs, then from there you start making money. I'm sorry to break it to you, but you won't be able to make that kind of money. I mean, you're going to make money. It's going to take a lot and lots of subscribers and views for you to make such money. So if you're looking for quick success on YouTube, quick money and all that, I'm sorry to break it to you. Look for something else that would give you quick money. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of those high niches, those ones that once you do it, even if you get 10k views, you'd be making $100 just with 10k views or even 5k views. So just stick around, and please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe now, because you've watched me to this very point. So let's talk about it. So if you want to make money on YouTube, I would advise you to go for these niches that I'm about to list. I actually made a list of them here, so I'm going to be reading it out to you. So the first one is the finance and investing. They make up to $10 to $50. Just imagine getting 1k views, and that 1k views have already given you $50. It is very, very awesome. You know, that's $50. Some people need to have like 100k views for them to make $50. So getting $50 from just 1k views is very, very awesome. The second one is the tech and software tutorials. They make from $8 to $25 per 1k views. Then the third one is the business and entrepreneurship. They make from $10 to $30 per 1k views. Health and self-improvement, they make from $6 to $20 per 1k views. All these niches are very, very good. So you just have to pick the one that you have to do. But the thing is, these four I listed are not the only high earning niches. There are so many other niches there that you can actually go for. Like so many other niches that have high RPM that you can go for. Just go out there and, you know, research and find out the one that you can do. Doing all these things like will make you earn a lot of money. You'd be able to make so much money on YouTube. Instead of doing those ones that have low RPM, go for the ones that have high RPM. And also, don't forget what I said, all these niches are good, but the ones that have low and high RPM, they are all good. It all depends on like what your aim is on YouTube. If your aim on YouTube is to make money, go for the ones that will give you money. If your aim on YouTube is just to pass out time, to just have fun, then just do whatever you want to do on YouTube, whether you're making money from it or not. Just go for it. Then again, if you're doing any of these, like if you're into any of these niches I listed, the ones that have high RPM or the ones that have low RPM, let me know in the comment section if it is working out for you. Just let me know in the comment section like how you're faring from such niches. Just let me know, and I'll be there to interact with you guys. Another thing I have to tell you is that making money on YouTube is very, very difficult. Even getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours is more difficult. It is another battle on its own. You can start up a YouTube channel today, and getting that 1K subscribers, it will take you like maybe 1 year or maybe 6 months or 8 months, depending on how serious you are or depending on the kind of niche you're doing. So getting that 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours is very, very difficult. You have to conquer that first before thinking about your the money you're making on YouTube. Yes, so just get your 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours. When you've gotten that, then you can be worried about your money, the money you're making on YouTube. Fight the first battle, then you can think about the next. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you've not liked this video, please like this video. And also, don't forget what I said. All these niches are good. All of them are good. Don't cancel me because I said this one is not good. So just have it at the back of your mind. Thank you once more, and please don't forget to check out the video showing on your screen.